In high school, the workload was just so manageable. Like it was just so, just smooth. I didn't really have a lot on my plate. And then you get to college and it's like, okay, there's a lot more work. There's a lot more things you got to do, and you got to be more responsible for yourself too. I think responsibility is one thing that a lot of people struggle with once they get to college. Time management, space things out. And I think that's one thing that a lot of people struggle with is procrastination. And I struggled with that a lot myself in high school, putting everything off to the last minute. I said, that's not going to work. I said, if I put everything off last minute, I'm just going to fail. So I ended up making myself, planners, agendas, schedules, sticky notes, saying, hey, you got to get this done. People telling me, hey, you got to get this done. And until I got it done, I didn't feel satisfied. One of my professors is my academic advisor, and we've got to know each other very well. And she's a person that I can go to. Just putting that in your mind, hey, I can ask for help. And no matter the outcome, I still win is always the best thing to do. Because no matter what, whether you're going to get help somewhere down the road, whether it's how you expected it or some different outcome, something great's going to happen in you being able to ask.